If you want to turn off notifications on Bitget, follow these simple steps to customize your notification settings. This guide will help you manage your alerts effectively. Step 1. Open the Bitget app. Launch the Bitget application on your device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Access settings. Look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Tap on it to enter the settings menu where you can adjust various preferences. Step 3. Navigate to notifications. In the settings menu, find the section labeled notifications or alerts. This section contains all the options related to notifications. Step 4. Disable notifications. Once in the notifications section, you will see a list of different types of notifications. Toggle off the notifications you wish to disable, such as trade alerts or promotional messages. Step 5. Save changes. After adjusting your notification preferences, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Confirm button to apply the new settings. Now you have successfully turned off notifications on Bitget. You can revisit the settings at a time to adjust your preferences as needed.